Hey, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, meron tayo ditong single attached na property. Okay, nakita ko lang muna ha. So ito, good for two cars. Okay, 2 cars po ito. Then may mga CCTVs na. Ayan, CCTV. At sorry. May 3 split type na aircon na rin. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung ating living area. So, yung lot area, 108 square meter. Okay? 108. Then, dito yung ating magiging dining area. Right? Dining area. This will be your kitchen area. Okay? Price po. Okay. Yung price, current price, 8.5 million. Ito. Okay. So, dito, meron tayong maid's quarter. Okay? Ito yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Saan ko nga? Yan. Dito sa likod, of course, yung ating service area. Okay? Medyo madumi lang. Pasensya na po. Again, ito yung ground floor natin. Kitchen. Dito yung dining. And yung living area. Okay? Ganda ng space. Malaking space. Ang ganda ng cut ng lupa. Actually. Ganun. So, yun yung CCTV dito sa ground floor. Akit tayo sa ating second floor. Unahin natin dito. Okay? So, ito yung common toilet and bath for 2 bedrooms. Yan. Ito yung first bedroom. Ayun, no? May split type na aircon na po. Yan. Ayun yung built-in cabinet niya. Okay. Nagsama na rin blinds. Sayang yan ha. Kano rin yan. Okay. Ito yung second bedroom. Yan. May split type aircon. Naka-cove ceiling. And meron rin siyang built-in cabinet. Okay. Punta tayo sa ating master's bedroom. Okay. So yung master's bedroom, naka-cove ceiling, may split type aircon. Siyempre, may built-in cabinet at may sariling toilet and bath. Ganda. Ganda na, malaki pa. Okay, pakita ko ulit yung space na ating master's bedroom. Yan. Then, meron siyang balcony dito. Okay? Yan. So again, 8.5 million. Pwede pong 10% down payment. Okay? 10% down payment po. So syempre, depende po sa capacity to pay natin mga buyers ha. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you for watching. If interested po kayo, message lang. My number is 0928-485-1156 or 0907-022-3423. Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye.